Hi, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 1750 Autumn Crescent in Pickering's finest Amberlea community. This gorgeous sun-filled main floor offers 9-foot ceilings. We have beautiful hardwood flooring throughout, California shutters, pot lights, and a cozy family room where you can enjoy your gas fireplace and views of the backyard conservation all year round. We are here in your gourmet kitchen that has been beautifully upgraded with quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, a custom backsplash, undermount lighting, and best of all, your breakfast area has a walkout to your own private yard, spectacular views all year round of the green space, and it's 168 foot deep. The winding staircase leads to the second floor where we have 4 bedrooms. Your primary retreat offers once again spectacular views of the backyard overlooking Altona Forest, and we have a gorgeous spa-like 5-piece ensuite bath. The lower level has been professionally finished and offers a huge rec space for my large families, entertainers, and we also have an additional 5th bedroom down here, a huge space perfect for an in-law suite or multi-gen family. If you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.